Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to find your Lazada wallet account number. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up your Lazada app. So once you've opened up your app, log into your account. You need to be logged in for this. So log into your account. And once you've logged in, go to your accounts tab here on your bottom right here. So click on your accounts tab. And now when you're on your accounts tab here, so go on your top right here, you will see a settings option there. So next to or opposite your profile, so click on it. So when you click on this settings option, under settings, go to the account information option here. So click on account information. So when you get to account information, so if you are looking for your account wallet number, so your wallet number is actually the mobile number that you have linked with Lazada. So if you want to check what's the mobile number linked to your Lazada account, there will be a mobile option here. Simply open it up and you'll be able to see your linked Lazada mobile number, which is your wallet account number. So that's pretty much it. Hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.